Apple is gearing up to release its next-generation flagship, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the leaks suggest some significant upgrades that could make it the best iPhone yet. If you're wondering what Apple has in store, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the details of what makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max a true game-changer. A bigger and better design? According to sources, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be slightly larger than its predecessor. The iPhone 16 Pro Max reports suggest a thickness of 8.725 millimeters compared to the 8.25 millimeters of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, indicating a possible increase in battery capacity. This slight increase in size might not be noticeable in hand, but could lead to better battery life and improved performance. Another interesting rumor is the possibility of a thinner dynamic island, which could make the front design even sleeker. Apple has been refining this feature since its debut, and a slimmer implementation could enhance the viewing experience. Could an iPhone Ultra be on the way? Tech experts, including Ryan Christoffel from 9 to 5 Mac, suggest that Apple might be preparing for an Ultra rebrand. The thicker body, enhanced cooling system, and other design improvements could hint at a shift toward an even more premium iPhone 17 Ultra. Apple has been slowly moving toward a more tiered lineup, and if an Ultra model is in the works, it could bring exclusive features like better cameras, extended battery life, and a premium build material. iPhone 17 Air, a super slim alternative? Surprisingly, Apple might also be working on a new iPhone 17 Air, a device that could break the trend of bulkier phones by offering an ultra-thin profile of just 5.5 millimeters. Leaker Ice Universe claims that the iPhone 17 Air will match the length and width of the Pro Max, but will be significantly thinner, making it one of the slimmest iPhones ever. However, a thinner body could come with trade-offs, such as a smaller battery or less powerful hardware. It remains to be seen whether Apple can maintain performance and battery life while going this thin. Display upgrades, more immersive than ever. Apple is reportedly introducing a 6.9-inch Ultra Retina XDR 3.0 display in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, featuring Promotion 2.0 technology with an adaptive refresh rate of up to 240 Hz. If true, this would be a massive upgrade for gamers, content creators, and everyday users, ensuring buttery smooth scrolling, responsive touch, and stunning visuals. The Ceramic Shield Pro is expected to offer better durability, while the Titanium 2.0 body should make the phone lighter yet sturdier than before. Apple is also said to be reducing bezels even further, bringing users closer to a true edge-to-edge display experience. Camera innovations, a photographer's dream? Apple's camera game is always strong, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to push the boundaries even further. Rumors point to a quad-lens system with a 200MP primary sensor, allowing for unprecedented detail, low-light performance, and zoom capabilities. Additional upgrades could include an advanced periscope zoom system for crystal-clear long-distance shots, AI-powered photography enhancements, improving night mode and portrait shots, a new image signal processor, ISP, for more realistic colors and better HDR performance. If these upgrades come to fruition, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might just become the best camera phone on the market. Performance and battery life, the best yet? The iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely be powered by the A19 Bionic chip, built on an enhanced 3nm process for faster speeds and improved efficiency. This could mean better AI capabilities, smoother multitasking, and a significant boost in gaming performance. Additionally, with the slightly thicker design, Apple could be adding a larger battery, potentially offering all-day battery life even under heavy use. Apple has been optimizing battery performance with iOS updates and hardware tweaks, so expect top-tier efficiency in this new model. Will Apple change its lineup? One of the most intriguing rumors is Apple's potential shift in its iPhone lineup. With the introduction of the iPhone 17 Air and a possible Ultra variant, we might see Apple ditch the iPhone Plus model entirely. Instead, the lineup could look like this: iPhone 17 standard model, iPhone 17 Air, slimmer, and lighter variant. iPhone 17 Pro, powerful features. iPhone 17 Pro Max/Ultra, top-tier flagship. This change could help Apple differentiate each model better, allowing users to pick a device that best suits their needs. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the iPhone 17 Pro Max? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of the biggest upgrades in years, with rumors suggesting a larger battery, improved display, better cameras, and a refined design. If you're an iPhone user looking for the ultimate experience, this model might be worth the wait. However, with a possible iPhone Ultra and the iPhone 17 Air in the mix, it's going to be an exciting year for Apple fans. Whether you're after a high-performance flagship or a super-thin alternative, Apple might just have the perfect iPhone for you in 2025. What are your thoughts on these iPhone 17 leaks? Let us know in the comments.